Welcome to Ride's Own. Today, we bring you the world of raw power and classic design, presenting the Harley Davidson Night Ride. The Sportster Iron 883, standing tall in this modern showroom. The Iron 883 demands attention with its iconic silhouette and matte black finish. From the front view, you can see the bold headlamp and aggressive stance. The side angles reveal the muscular fuel tank, the sleek frame, and the signature V-twin engine that roars with unmatched character. Every chrome detail, every curve, reflects Harley's dedication to craftsmanship. The rear view showcases the compact tail and dual exhausts, a perfect blend of style and performance. The close-ups of the handlebar and tires highlight precision engineering designed for thrill and control. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and an experience. Harley Davidson Night Ride, where power meets passion. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to Ride's Own for more amazing bike content.